many instances we refer to novel foods. What are novel foods? How we define novel foods and how the regulatory authority looks on it. First, novelty means unusual, unconventional, and innovative in relation to food. Novel foods has a missing history of consumption by a particular region or globally consumed as food. Novel foods could be different types: new foods, traditional foods from other regions, foods produced using new processes or technologies, and foods with altered composition or structure. New foods are made from entirely new ingredients or completely new products. For example, cultured meat and precision fermented protein. Traditional foods from some regions are eaten for a long time in one part of the world or culture, but new to other regions. Examples are insects, chia seeds, or baobab fruit. Insects or baobab fruits are traditional to one culture or region, but these are considered novel in the European Union. Foods could be produced using new processes or technologies. For example, foods produced by high pressure, ohmic heating, pulse electric field, cold plasma, and magnetic field. High pressure processing. Ohmic heating is a process when an alternating electric current is passed through a food material and then heat is internally generated within the material due to its resistance to applied electric current. Food is placed in a cylindrical tube which has two electrodes at the two ends, and we complete the electric circuit with a power supply connected to the electrodes. Then we apply a voltage causing flow of current through the food, and this can generate uniformly heat within the food matrix. Therefore, in this system, we have applied the principle of ohmic heating of food. You could watch my earlier videos on high pressure, ohmic heating, and cold plasma processes. The links are given in the description box. Foods could be produced with altered composition or structure. These are foods derived from substances that do not have a history of consumption. For example, bread with dead pits or with certain extracts or isolates. Novel foods do not have a long history of consumption and safety. Therefore, regulatory bodies provide specific regulations, and it is a very complex process of documenting its safety. A novel food application was first submitted to the European Commission, which, after deciding its validity, forwarded to European Food Safety Authority, that is EFSA. EFSA defines a novel food as a food not consumed significantly within the European Union before May 1997. In theory, EFSA is expected to issue an opinion within 9 months of receiving a valid application. Process of EFS is very time consuming, and its complex process causes delaying market access to food companies. Singapore Food Agency (SFA) defines novel foods as foods and ingredients that do not have a history of safe use. The SFA is known for its speedy approval times. According to SFA itself, it makes evaluations in an average time of 9 to 12 months. FDA and USDA do not have a specific category of novel foods in regulation. However, FDA categorized as GRAS or generally recognized as safe. A GRAS assessment usually takes between 6 and 8 months. Ingredients that cannot qualify as GRAS must complete a food additive petition, which takes between 2 and 5 years. In the future, many novel foods are expected to emerge for addressing food security. If you want to know more about future foods, please watch my videos on the future foods. The links is given in the description box. I would like to thank you for watching this video until the end, and please subscribe to our channel if you like this video.